Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm out on the causeway that goes out to the beach at Fred Howard Park. I'm stopped at the first bridge and I'm dropping my camera off on the south side of that bridge. So Fred Howard Park, that area out there on the causeway, that's like one of the hidden gems in Pinellas County. I mean, it's got an incredible amount of fish off those bridges and snapper, all kinds of things. So in this video, you'll see the normal things you got under there, like we could see pinfish and all that kind of thing. Mullets will come by, and you'll see two fairly decent speckled sea trout that come by as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Look forward to seeing you back next time. And hey, before I forget, if you enjoy these videos, do me a favor, hit the like button down below. And if you'd like to see more, hit subscribe. Look forward to seeing you back next time. Thanks. Take care.